Taking a look at the trading week beginning December 30th, we're looking at the end of the month, end of the quarter, end of the year, and another holiday shortened week. And we ended last week with a little bit of the sell-off. So as of today, there is a tentative Santa Claus rally in place, considering that it applies to the last 5 trading days of December and the first 2 trading days of January. Those will take place next week. So that would be the 23rd, 24th, 26th, 27th, 30th, and then the 2nd and the 3rd in January. Now, as of today, the S&P and the NASDAQ are slightly higher, so they have a Santa Claus rally in place, but the Dow and the Russell do not. Now, again, there are 3 trading days left in that traditional Santa Claus rally time period left for this to happen for all 4, but yields will likely help to determine it. And yields were again higher as this week closed out, taking that 10-year all the way up to about 463 by the end of the week. So we're going to keep an eye on yields and their effects on any potential Santa Claus rally. Now, there is good correlative numbers for a Santa Claus rally starting January off on a positive note, but it's not the other way around. So if we don't end up with a Santa Claus rally, it does not mean that January is going to necessarily finish the month weak, although some people may look at it as a weak start to the year. The dollar's slightly weaker, so we're going to be watching that next week as we go into it, along with some of the other risk assets that ended last week weaker. So going into it, we're only seeing a dollar that was stronger against the Swiss, and only crude oil was higher, with copper, silver, and gold all lower. Those are the risk assets we want to be looking at next week. Now, earnings and data, only 2 small cap stocks are releasing earnings next week. They are Lifecore Biomed and Resource Connection, a combined $547 million in market cap in those 2. So they won't be market moving next week as we wait for the new earnings season to begin. Monday, we get Chicago PMI data for December, pending home sales, and China manufacturing and services PMI. Tuesday's a New Year's Eve holiday half day, and the U.S. is still releasing the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. Wednesday, markets are closed for New Year's Day holiday across the globe. Thursday, there's a holiday in Japan, but we get manufacturing PMI in Germany and the U.S. jobless claims figure. And then Friday, U.S. December ISM manufacturing and services PMI will be released.